Making quick timing of this removal. Made quick work of this side. So what are we going to do on this corner here?
So we're going to remove this fascia, we're going to take the sub-facia off, and since the corner of the eave sub-facia is rotten, we're going to cut it back to this rafter, because this corner supports basically this whole end.
Okay.
So we'll cut it back to here, and we'll attach a new piece in there, and it'll be just fine.
Don't fall through.
Yeah.
What a mess that is. They can fix it though, thank goodness. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people.
What?
Holy cow. It is rotten.
Yeah. Pretty bad. There's no strength to it at all.
Both boards come off. The fascia and the sub-fascia.
Yeah, I'll give it a hit down there on that.
There she goes. Was there 2 layers of tar paper?
Yeah. Yeah.
What is that about?
It looks like whoever put the last roof on left the tar paper that was on there before and then just put new tar paper over the
2 layers of tar paper. So they're thinking the company that replaced the original roof just laid on new tar paper over the old.
These are all good.
Oh, okay.
This board right here is going to get replaced
Right.
until over here. And then this little piece of fascia on the end, we're just going to cut it back just a little bit and repair that soft end.
So Joe informed me that there is no flashing at the edge of the roof, and therefore they will be adding it, but they can leave the gutter in place while they do that. Learning a lot here. So the filters installed by Leaf Filter are being removed. Question is, do I want to keep them? And the answer is, no, I don't.
good choice.
Well, you have to take them out anyway, right?
That is correct.
Okay. So they have to be removed. The question is, reinstall, throw them out.
Right. He's got like, what, I think it's $2,000.
They're full. Got a soft board here. I'm just glad it didn't take you down there.
Right.
A lot of boards had to be removed for repairs. Here come the shingles. During lunch break, the shingles have arrived. Team's back. Well, that was quick. Getting the gear on. And prep for using the elevator to get the tile on the roof.
Also the fascias.
Ooh, should we get that compressor?
Yeah.
Where are you guys gonna want this? Over there? Okay.
Oh yeah. Now I can see the rot.
Yeah.
Oh, and I can see my mess in there. It's getting warm.
Yes, right in. I'll roll with you on this side.
That's called the sub-facia there?
That's the sub-facia. Yep.
All right, I get it.
Barge board. I guess barge board goes up the gate. It's 13 and 3/4.
Pretty rotten. Definitely needed to be replaced. Skylight in the shed. think that's another sub-fascia board.
Do I have to move?
The repairs to the corner of the roof are complete. What a difference. So Devin took off the solar tube because it was full of gunk and he cleaned it up for us.
Put it right at that.
Looks brand new.
I don't remember how much they are, but
Yeah, if they're too much, just let me know. I don't know. Get the start on, really.
Start on?
First couple 4 and then the edges. You'll see.
Oh, okay.
And then, just so we're ready for tomorrow.
Flashing's going down and the starter. Wow. Overlaps more than I thought. Thank goodness for the breeze. It's getting hot.
What we tore off was 1.5 inch overhang just to keep the water out of the under. And then now it's gonna be 2 inches, just a little extra. That's what Joe wanted us to start doing.
Okay.
Just a little more protection, you know?
Well, snow depth and all that kind of stuff, huh? The color of the tile is called oakwood and it's very popular. For a while they were out of it because of demand and the supply. Fortunately, they were able to fill the order. Otherwise, we'd have to get a metal roof.
Ah.
And that would have cost a few more bucks.
Yeah.
see the color of the tile. Oakwood brown. Going down. Up close and personal. You're on a roll here.
Yeah. I gotta take off in like 10 minutes, so trying to run this out before I leave.
Oh, okay.
Been doing it 2 years now, really. At first I was picked up as a picker-upper, all
Right.
the trash around, and then I just decided to stick with it, and it's been good all around, really.
That's great. 2 years. That would make you an apprentice at least, right?
Exactly. And straight out of school.
Well, I think there's plenty of roofs around to keep you employed.
Indeed.
So he's cutting out these custom flashing that goes against the siding. So they're packing up for the day.
Oh yeah.
We've got the starter rows of
Yeah.
tile. We'll get more of the flashing up tomorrow and hope to get some time lapse of that.